Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can craft a shovel in Windrose. It's pretty easy. All you have to do, just go near to your workbench, interact with it. Now scroll and you're gonna see the option for shovel. In order to craft a shovel we would need 3 copper ingot along with wood. I have wood but don't have copper ingot. So firstly, if you don't know how to get copper ingot, it's pretty easy. All you have to do, just get into cave, mine some copper ore, and by using the charcoal kiln and smelting furnace you will able to make a copper ingot. So firstly we need to interact with charcoal kiln, convert your wood into charcoal just like this, and once you have the charcoal, just take that, get into smelting furnace, and here you'll able to convert copper ore into copper ingot. So just craft that, and once it is done you'll able to take it. Now we have copper ingot, it means that we'll able to craft a shovel. So just interact with the workbench, scroll, select shovel, and right here you just need to craft it, take it, and now we have successfully crafted a shovel. By using the shovel you'll able to dig, raise, flatten, whatever you like. So yep, that's it. This is the process you need to follow to craft a shovel in Windrose. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.